teri agenda mubookinga kugenda kuyimba kivulu. But singa artist yabeera nga akozesa for example collative, you can actually be surprised. I think 4 months back twapushinga oluyimba ndowooza lwa Grace Nakalema, ndowooza bamuyita Grace Nakalema. Oluyimba ne lukola around 10 million shillings gross. And I was like, okay, even the older music, artists who have not released music in the recent past, you can still use this service and it makes money for you. For the artist families, families that the artist passed on, Bakafero, Babasudde, Bani, we encourage you guys, as the people that manage those estates, please come to us. Let us help you make money out of the music these guys left behind. It is possible. Once we put in the effort, once we embrace this service, otherwise, thank you so much. Thank you to the artists that have turned up. I see all of you. I'm really, really, really happy for this night. To the people that are going to win, to every artist, I wish you luck. To the ones that are going to win, congratulations. Thank you so much, and have a good evening.
I respect you, my brother. Please, hands to cute Kaye. Omusajja oyo mulaba is a symbol nti osobola okugwa n'oddamu n'oyimirira ate n'otambula. What about now? Allow me welcome, of course, get some remarks from the senior manager, consumer segment, Madam Lona Uthieno. What about now? Obugalo bw'omukyalo oyo. Yatuwa ssente nno.
Everyone, are we excited? I'm excited. So welcome everyone, and it's good to see all of us back here. I know last year was a tough year, so was 2020, but it's good to see our entertainers, our artists, our content creators. It's good to see all of you. And we thank God for keeping us all through the tough times and bringing us back to this moment. So this evening, basically, we are here to recognize your efforts that you put in throughout 2021, even previous years. Like James has already mentioned, some of the content that we may be celebrating tonight may not have been created in 2021, but it was consumed and it changed the lives of different people during that period, and they were able to enjoy that content. So we are here to celebrate our content creators, our artists this evening. So this evening specifically we'll be giving out 2 types of awards. So the first award is for your top downloaded content of 2021. So we started this journey in the middle of last year. It was the middle of still COVID lockdown, but we still went ahead and started recognizing every month artists, content creators that were having the highest downloads. So some of you won, and monthly you are getting 2 million shillings or 1 million shillings. Even the customers that were downloading this content were also recognizing them. It was basically to keep us engaged and to keep us continue with the mindset of creating content so we can still be able to push this industry. So we started this off in July last year, and we are now at the grand finale of that particular chapter of 2021. So topmost downloads in terms of the different categories of music will be recognized this evening. So that is one type of award that we shall be giving. The second type is basically an award or a recognition coming from your fans, from your different people that you entertain, that you make this music or this content for. They also went out and actually, thank you so much.
For so many years, I'm going to say the grand one. MTN everywhere you go. Bless ya.
Uganda's music scene is fantastically vibrant, and MTN is more than proud to be a part of this positive story. For over 24 years, MTN has promoted music through innovative ways like the Paula tunes.
The tunes are just another reflection of MTN's determination to provide unique top-notch services that bring smiles to our faces.
MTN's effort to digitize Ugandan music and local content to create additional income streams for the owners of the content gave birth to the MTN Caller Tunes Awards in 2015.
Yes, I'd like to thank MTN. I'd like to thank all the fans who download the Caller Tunes.
I'm so grateful. I'm very happy. I don't know how to express this.
ab'emutyeeni mwebala akawaani kano kuba badise zino olwekyo twazireese edda bikyani so mwana temujjangu kaba downloadinga tuni zange mwana mukawaaniko emutyeeni temusuulanga gaadi mwana mukitegeera.
In 2021, the awards flowed thick and fast as we showed our artists love.
Nakulusanwa Satu Omuyimbi Takola, the MTN Caller Back Tunes Back this very year, and of course every artist is going to win. Launched in 2015, and this very year as well to Zetwa Awadinga.
In a span of 6 months, 12 of our very own Ugandan musicians and over 100 customers were rewarded with cash, mobile phones, and lots of goodies.
I'm glad to be here as the lucky winner of MTN, and I've won the phone. It's here.
I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to our music makers and content creators, and to you, our dear customer. Thank you for continuously downloading these Caller Tunes. To the team that has tirelessly worked hard to make this possible, thank you.
Today, we are here at the grand finale of the Caller Tunes Awards, standing firm in our yellow glow that is lighting the next step of this journey.
It's not about voting, it's not about you, the people, it's about the statistics from the downloads. Enyimba, it is since okuba downloaded by the fans out there. If you're watching us at home, the more you download their song, you put money in their pocket. Obomuwonyeza okulinda stage every other day. Nga JP we yagambye content provider James Proper yagambye nti omuyimbi bw'abataliko buno obudde kizibu ofuna ekivulu so nga ate asobola okuba nga afuna akasente ne bw'abataliko, which is very impressive. Right about now, for the category we shall be opening up with, for best downloaded religious song, I'm going to invite Mr. Odeke, manager digital services from MTN, to come and of course make sure he awards this first category. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. I hope you're having a good time. All right, I will not keep the tension up. The award for best religious goes to, wow. Okay. The award is best religious.
Let's get a chance to see the nominees first, if it's okay with you. No nominees? Okay.
No nominees. Okay. The award for best religious, that means that the most downloaded religious song, right, goes to Miracle Music Ministry.
For what you do for Ugandan music, we're really so blessed. And on behalf of Pastors Robert and Jessica Karanja, who our team leaders at Miracle Music Ministry, we're really blessed. They couldn't be here, should have been here, but they couldn't make it, so they sent us. My name is Arnold, is Nicholas Muleme, who is a music director, and Sachi Basachi, who is a worship leader. So there are people behind the music. So we're really thankful to MTN Uganda. Thank you, Content Africa. And everyone, we want to thank all the people that downloaded our music and who keep downloading our music, and those who are still downloading our music. Please don't stop, keep downloading the music. Keep being inspired by the Miracle Music Ministry. And we're really grateful, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello. would like to first of all recognize Honorable Rachel Magola. She comes from us, and she's doing a very good job to push for the interests of the creative in Parliament. I think she's the first artist in Parliament who took us in the lobby of Parliament to discuss issues of the creative sector. A round of applause for Honorable Rachel Magola. Then Mama Joy Takawalia, members of the National Culture Forum, Madam President Cindy, I can see John Kateleka, Jude Nyanja, and the rest, Shadrach, long-time veteran, Ali Alibai, and the rest of the artists. Well, I'm going to give a brief speech before. It's a very good opportunity to spread the information as an advocate for the industry. National Culture Forum right now is the apex body of all associations within the creative sector. For once in the sector, we have recognizable structures that the private people can recognize and govern it. I would like to take this opportunity to thank MTN for recognizing that structure. We have a couple of issues with ringtones, but we shall have a more organized way of having dialogue for this. Now, the gist of the event, the award category for Best R&B goes to Pallaso. I'd like to recognize Pallaso. I run one of the best websites right now, trending. The editorial team voted Pallaso Artist of the Month. Then congratulations, brother. It's your year. The award goes to Omoyo Baliam Voice.
Yeah, thank you so much, MTN Uganda, for this great opportunity. I would like to take this opportunity to thank everybody who voted for me, people who downloaded my music, and I would like to thank my management for the great work done. Thank you so much.
Don't forget to thank MTN for standing with us over the years. If you are an artist, it's your chance. If you're not on the CRBT as yet, get a maso on your content provider, I was talking to James Popper of Said Number. They promoted Grace Nakalima's song. In a month it had over 10 million shillings worth of money. So no Kavakaimba Makaitako, Achasoro Kasinaga, Kakuayo Kasente. So what about now? We shall be moving to the next category. That's the best Afro-pop song. I'll invite St. Jude Nyanja, one of the guys I've seen do videography for quite some time. He has lots of respect for me. Done lots of videos that have won numerous awards, to come and give out this award to the winner. Please, St. Jude.
Nyanja, and I work with Rosa Uganda for the last 11 years. Just like everyone, made by the industry, I live by the industry, and I'll die by the industry. So seeing MTN doing this, it's an honor, because it keeps us moving. As the money goes to the artist, it trickles down to us that do the music. So it's a cycle. So thank you, MTN. And the winner, yeah, best Afrobeat, Afropop, the award goes to the man of the year, King of the East, Pallaso.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all. Thank you for always listening to my songs and downloading them as collab tunes. Thank you, MTN, for making it possible. I appreciate every win. I give it back to the fans. This is for you. Keep believing and keep on pushing the brand Pallaso. Thank you so much. Because this money is not by us. We don't vote for these people. The music is downloaded by the fans. And the more they download the music, is the more the money you make as an artist. So last year's most downloaded song, Afropop, was Malamu by King of the East. Right about now, I'll of course go to another category that is very, very, very competitive. But hip hop buli mwa bagamba nze nsinga naye kati ba download abafana bo ne basalawo ne bagamba fe tusinze ku downloading akayimba kano. Allow me to welcome Mr. Harvey K, an entertainment journalist. Over the years he's been around. He has seen artists like Radio and Weasel come up. He has seen people come up in this game. He has grown up with the Bobby Wines, the Bebe Cools, the Jose Chameleons. He's been here for quite long. So having him here is an honor as well. Ladies and gentlemen, Harvey K comes to award Best Luga Flow Hip Hop right about now. MTN Color Tune Awards.
The Best Luga Flow Hip Hop Award category. Will Smith, we have Bill Montori, Material, Yagadanya, going for Sika Zenzako, Tobakuba, the category for Best Luga Flow Hip Hop, and the winner is Lock by Vicky Fameka.
Thank you so much, MTN. Thank you so much, my beautiful friends. Thank you so much for downloading my music. Thank you so much to my team, my management, Fresh Gang. Thank you so much for Americans. I love you. Thank you so much, MTN. One love.
Toli comedian tojja kufuna luyizi. Bw'oba osaaga ennaku zino osaaga weegendereza oyinza okusaagirira mu linnya ly'omuntu. And of course n'avaako, which is really absurd. But yet again yakozeemu ensobi okulumba ndowooza mukyala woli atamanyi kyayitamu. Bana tukyagenda mu maaso, it's the MTN Color Tune Awards nabagambye yatandika mu 2015 nejja ng'etambula 2021 mukadde akabi ennyo ne babironchinga balabenga buli muyimbi afuna mu kaseera akazibu. That's what makes MTN our best friend as artists. MTN towadde bayibi bokka abuli wadde ne bafaana ba downloading ennyimba baze bafunamu akasente kano baze bafunamu nga bayibi bokka si babawa abalefani nga bamuwaayo, which is very important. Right about now ngenda kuyita mukulu John K, President Songwriters Association, mukama wange ojje otwawandingire award category ya Best Dancehall Raga. Naye basoma omuntu nga awangudde mukube ku bugalo mulage ku ssanyu mwagalize.
I greet you all in the name of Jesus. I represent the songwriters, and I think I should use this opportunity as well to echo a very big message to the CMOs. For example, UPRS. If MTN can do this, then UPRS can also do it for the content creators, not so? Yeah, if the artists can get out of caller tunes, then what about the YouTube downloads and everything? We can get a lot of money because our art is our wealth. My task is to present the best dancehall raga. And the winner of the night, okay, the category is Best Dancehall Raga, and the winner is, please, okay, and the winner is Sango by Martha Mokisa featuring Eddie K.
I'm okay. I'm happy to be here tonight. Is it already night? Yes, but then I'm really happy to be here. I'm first of all thankful to God that has made this day possible. I haven't been in the country, but then I managed to come back home. Yes, I want to thank my fans. Thank you so much for doing this for us, for voting for us. Then I want to thank Mr. Eddie Kenzo for giving me that opportunity to be part of this very, very big project that we did together. I want to thank MTN. MTN, you have made a girl with a dream to know that there is really gender equality in Uganda. That was the theme of Women's Day, and when I be here, I know now it is really happening. Ladies are really recognized. So thank you, MTN, thank you so much. I want to thank Black Magic Entertainment, the team behind Martha Mukisa. And then I guess I'll also thank the guys on that I've been working with, Liam Voice, he's always writing my music, Victor Rose, he gave me my first collaboration, and I'm here now. Thank you so much, I love you guys.
Good evening, my
name is Charles Batambuze. I'm the Vice Chairperson of the National Culture Forum. We're so pleased to be part of this. Thank you, MTN. For the last 2 years, especially the last one in Gulu, one of the things was that the artists were hopeless. And our duty was to tell them that, you know, they should have hope because there will be a better tomorrow. Thank you for creating the tomorrow that we talked about then. And we do hope that we'll come back to have a conversation on how we can get the entire value chain for music benefit from this and all the other initiatives. Thank you. Best band, Kadongo Kamu. The winner is Nesimye Song by Chosen Becky.
That I wrote the song. I didn't know that I was supposed to be here, but because the artist is not here, so she's coming. Okay. I take the privilege to receive the award, and maybe the manager can say something.
Chosen Becky loves you.
Ekyenjawulo ekirala tugaba million 3 in this category, tugaba million 2 kitundu. And the first category is that category of Best Rising Star, People's Choice. Like I said, it's a month of women, and we are letting women award all these. I welcome Miss Marvis to come, digital specialist from MTN, Ajay, to award this category of Best Rising Star, please.
Hello everyone, I'm here to give the People's Choice Award for Best Rising Star. And the nominees are
the category of Best Rising Star MTN Caller Tunes Awards. The nominees: Martha Mukisa, Aroma, Liam Voice, Victor Rose, PM Pounds,
wow, I'm shaking. People's Choice Award, Best Rising Star, and the winner is Liam Voice!
I just want to thank MTN. They've done a wonderful job in promoting Ugandan music through the caller tunes. That's fantastic. But I have to say that what we get right now is a scratch on the surface of what is possible for the Ugandan music industry. So I call upon you all that when we tried to legislate and get a Ministry of Culture where we'll be autonomous in determining what we need as artists. You all come together.
Thank you, Rachel. We are really privileged to be here, just like you said. And we are waiting for the word, for the who is who. And I really believe that we who have been in the industry actually feel proud to see great young artists coming on board. We feel proud of you. Because I know where the music industry has been since the old times. People were like looking at the artists as failures in life. But we are now realizing that many parents, even the people here in the parliament, they're actually like realizing that art, where music is, we are important. We feel proud of that. And we thank you so much, MTN. You've always been there for us to mentor us as artists, to support us as artists. I'm very, very proud for those ones who have won. And everyone is a winner. When you're an artist, you're a winner. Just like they're selecting those very people who have been selected by the team, by the audience, by the caller tunes. But whoever is having an art, your chances will always be there. There are times when it takes so many years to realize that you've made a song, but your song will come. Just keep working, you'll have it all. Thank you.
And the nominees for Best Female Artist.
In the category of Best Female Artist MTN Caller Tunes Awards, the nominees are Martha Mukisa, Chosen Becky, Aroma, Spice Diana,
People's Choice Award, Best Female Artist, and the winner is Spice Diana. Congratulations, wow.
Once again, we've met, but it's never been disclosed, and on a day like this, thank you so much, MTN. I'm really so happy. And awarded Jira Kaka Sente Bayanja. So I just wish all awards would be like this, because sometimes, as you know, we, the people that add so much, you know, in the art, we all know it's not easy, but you invest in so much. So sometimes if it comes with something, at least, you know, you can put, you know, 1 million aside for the diehards, you know, 1 for the, you know, management. So it's really a pleasure that we have an award like this. So thank you so much, MTN. I want to thank all my fans, my management, Manager Roger, and big up to all the artists in the building. Thank you guys for, you know, coming out to honor this. It's such an amazing time to, you know, share it with amazing people in the industry. Thank you so much once again. My Spice Gadgets, Hammond's Team Spice Diana, and all the gadgets, you know, thank you so much for downloading, voting, loving me. Keep the same support energy 2022. Thank you so much.
If you want to be part of these awards, make sure you're part of the CRBT and embrace it, because it's here to support us, the artists. Madam, please.
Well, as we come to the close of the evening, it's good to see that the house is full again. At least earlier on when we started, there were a bit of empty seats. And as MTN, as we are always here to support you, the artists, and we are here to celebrate you and continue creating. Let's warm the hearts of our customers together, and we'll be here to support you. So I'm here to announce the big winner of the evening. the best.
The nominees on the screen.
Yeah, so we're going to see the nominees.
In the category of Best Male Artist MTN Cola Tunes Awards, the nominees are Fig for Maker, Pallaso, Liam Voice, John Black,
And the People's Choice Award, Best Male Artist for 2021 goes to you voted him? Okay, let's see. People's Choice Award, Best Male Artist 2021. And the winner is Pallaso! Yeah, you see.
And I want to thank myself again so much as well for believing regardless of what anybody ever said to me. But I want anybody out there that doesn't believe in themselves still to stand strong and believe in their dreams. Man, things are possible. What ku bigambo by'abantu byeboogera bino na bino na biri tojja tuuka gy'olaga wekkiririzeemu sikogende. Yes, thank you. This means the world to me. This is, I have won Best Male Artist everywhere and I'm so happy. Except I want to congratulate all the other winners. My sister Spice Diana, we started together. You remember, in every ghetto, everywhere. Fig for Maker, fresh boy from Kawempe Bombo Road, I salute you. And all the young boys that are coming through, Liam Voice, Unknown, all of you guys are doing amazing. We are so proud of you. Salute Cindy David, I see you, and I love you so much. I want to rectify one thing. Banange njagala okwebaza Spice akagambo k'ogambye akawadi zitandikira okugirako ko kasente. Awadi ewaka eyo zitwatikako n'obulwa n'ekyolaga naye bw'oba waguzeemu kiro ya sukaali ogamba ki? Kati ku lw'ensonga eyo awadi yange n'omuleka mwakozeemu ensobi sooka ogireeta ekipapula kino. MTN tweyanziza nnyo twagala. Awadi eziriko kasente kyakabi naye kuno mwerabidde. Ali mu bya finance kwegayiridde. Awadi eziriko akasente Spice si bwe kiri. Thank you very much, MTN. I'll be waiting for your communication. I love you. Biggest telecommunication network.